Looking for the most unique dining experience in Orange Beach? Well, look no further than Stephi's. Stephi offers the island's best, most popular sushi. Make sure to try our new sashimi ceviche platter with 3 different kinds of sashimi and a cucumber appetizer. Can't forget about our signature craft cocktails. When it's time for entrees, the possibilities are endless. Like this delicious teriyaki glazed Gulf snapper, or our newest and most exciting dish, blackberry balsamic glazed lamb chops. Hand-seared and seasoned to perfection with a caramelized glaze to make the lamb melt in your mouth. No matter what you like, Stephi has something for you and everyone in your family.